Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 10th Maths NCERT Chapter 15 Probability. Today we are going to study from exercise 15.1 question 3. Why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of a football game? If you have noticed that anytime when they begin the game, either cricket or football, they normally toss a coin, and whichever team gets whatever they decide, either head or a tail, so they have to begin the game. So why the tossing of a coin is considered to be a fair way? Why not the other way about? So we have to justify this answer. So let's take, now if there is a coin, we have only two possible outcomes, that is head and tail. So same way, always when the game begins, it will be between two teams. So for two team, coin is the best example we can have, which will have only two possible outcomes. So if a team decides for head, then that team will have an equal chance. So the possible outcome is we have total outcome 2, and for chance for head to come, there is one chances. Same way for tail also, if you consider, if a team considers to get tail, then the total outcome is 2, and for tail to get, there is one chance is there. So that means there is an equal chance either for head or for tail. So that is why normally we consider coin as a fair way. But if we take dice has how many chances? For example, if you take dice, in dice you have there is a chance of coming 1, there is a chance for to come 2, there is chance for 3, there is chance for 4, there is a chance for 5, there is chance for 6. Total 6 outcomes are there, which is not practical for two teams to decide which one to toss. So that is why the dice is not the good example. So it is not practical. It's not practicable. Dice is not practical. Whereas coin, you have only two outcomes, and for two teams they can decide either head or tail, and both have got the equal chance. Therefore, you have to write the solution for this sum in this way. When a coin is tossed, there is only two possible outcomes. That is one point. So either it will be head, either it will be head or tail. And also, tossing a coin, tossing of a coin, the result is always unpredictable. So this is one point. When a coin is tossed, there is only two possible outcomes. Either it will be head or tail. Then second point you can write, tossing of a coin, the result is always unpredictable. You can't predict whether it will come head or it will come tail. Therefore, there is no chance for any partiality. Therefore, tossing of a coin considered to be fair way to begin a game. That's it. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you and God bless you.